Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I will unboxing this new coffee machine Hibrew, which I bought from Lazada, H1A version, so I can do both hot brew and cold brew. And okay, this is the adapter that I choose, Nespresso, and I have Dolce Gusto and coffee powder, which is the ground coffee. Okay, this is how it looks like, 19 bar and white color. Okay, let's look at the top of the box. Okay, this is how it looks like, and okay, it looks nice. I mean, the packaging is quite good. I bought it online. Okay, this is the features: soft touch and solid handle, capsule adapter to cup holders, and tank the 600 ml, which is quite good for me, enough for me for 2 to 3 cups of coffee. Okay, so here there is a 19 bar pressure pump, 600 ml tank, optional adapters. Okay, actually there are 4 adapters available for this model, but then I only choose for the coffee powder, which is the ground coffee, and Nespresso and Dolce Gusto. Actually, K-cup adapter is not included in my package, and I choose the UK plug charger and white color. Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's unboxing it. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry that I had to use one hand as the other hand is holding the camera. Okay, let's do it slowly. Alright. The packaging is actually quite good because it's protected by the styrofoam. Okay. And okay, here, this is the cable with the UK type plug wall, which is suitable for Malaysian market. And now let's try to pull it out slowly. So it's a bit difficult as I'm using in just one hand. So I think I need to put my phone on the table, so easier for me to take it out at least. Alright. Here is my white color Hibrew coffee that I just bought from Lazada. Okay, let's unwrap the plastic first. This is what you can find in the packaging: manual book, adapters. So there are 2 adapters inside this box. Let me unwrap it for you. Okay, and this is the machine. 3 buttons, easy touch button, the cup holders, and Hibrew brand. Okay, the color looks nice, and the size is actually compact, suitable for my small pantry. And now let's unwrap the adapters that are bought together. There are 2 adapters here, and the another one is at the machine. So how to differentiate among these 3 adapters? So the first one, this is the Dolce Gusto. You can simply distinguish it based on, you can see the needles here, and you need a bigger capsule space. Quite nice, the quality. And this is for the ground coffee. You can see the aluminum filter integrated with the adapter. And the other one is at the machine, which is a Nespresso. It's hard to take out because I need to unwrap the plastic first and pull out the handle before I can take out the adapter. Okay, this is the adapter for Nespresso. You can differentiate it easily. You can see smaller capsule space and no needle at the adapter. There are 3 button, easy touch button here, and this is the water tank at the back of the machine, we take out the lid, and this is actually provided. Okay, this one actually is used to spoon your coffee powder and press it firmly on the ground coffee adapter. Okay, this is how we should do it. Okay, you pour the coffee powder inside the capsule and then you press the coffee powder. Okay, here I want to show you something. This is actually the pin needle. This is actually to clean up the Dolce Gusto adapter, the needle. Let's say if it gets stuck or occluded. Okay, this is provided in every machine, in every Dolce Gusto coffee machine. I will show you how to do it. Okay, this is the needle that I'm talking about. Sometimes it will get stuck. Two sections cup located at the bottom to make sure the coffee machine fits well in every position, in every place that you put it on. And this is the cup holder. You can see there are two adjustment points that you can put in. You can put a little bit higher, or you can just put it here, or you can totally remove it if you have a taller glass. This is the on off button, a cup of coffee and a glass of coffee, and the on off button actually can switch the mode between hot and cold brew just by pressing longer. So in general, I'm very happy with the build quality of this coffee machine, and it can use for many capsules, and it's great for me. Thank you for watching.